Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the difference between placing items on hold versus placing items on my list through the ValleyCat online catalog. Before we begin, you want to make sure that you have your Kings County Library card available as well as your 4-digit PIN number. If you've forgotten your 4-digit PIN number, you can call your local library and staff will be glad to help you get your PIN number. To begin, we want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. From here, we're going to navigate across the screen until we see the word catalog and then click on it. Once you reach the ValleyCat homepage, you want to make sure that you log into your library card account by clicking the Login button area right here. So you're going to type in your library card number, followed by your PIN number, and then you're going to press the blue Login button. You'll be able to tell if you were successfully able to log into your account because it will change from log in to the welcome message, which is shown right here. So, in order to figure out what title you're wanting to put on hold or add to a list, you can just type in the title. So for this tutorial, we're going to I'll type in the Magnolia story. And then press the orange search button. So for this tutorial, I'm looking specifically for the book, so I'm going to narrow down my format here on the left side by clicking Format, and then checking the part that says Books, and then pressing the Include button, which will reduce the results from 19 down to Okay, so now that I see the search results, and I see the title I want is the first one right here, I'm going to click on the title of the book. Which brings up information such as the title, shows the book cover, description of the book, things like that. You'll notice here on the right where it says select an action, when I press the down button, it gives me these options: place a hold, add to my list, email, or print. So if I click where it says place hold, this is going to give me the option to place a hold. And since I've already logged into my library card account, it will give me options in reference to what location where I want to pick up this book from. So I'd make my choice right here for location, and then I would click the blue holds button if I want to do that. My other option, if I don't want to necessarily place a hold on it right now, but I know that I want to read the book sometime in the future, I can press the down arrow and then I can click where it says add to my list. And what this is going to do is add it to a list called My List, which is located right here. And so My List comes in handy if you want to create a list of titles that you may want to check out at some point in the future. So as we can see, since I pressed add to my list, it's been added to my list here. And now, as you can see, it shows the title and it does give me the option to place a hold. So whenever I decide that I want to place a hold on that book, I can click the place hold button right here and then select the library, just like I showed you a few minutes ago. The big difference between the holds list and My List is that the holds list will automatically have you select what library you want to pick up your item from and place a hold. While My List, again, as I said, is more for reference purposes. So if you want to create a list of titles that you want to read at some point in the future, that's when My List will be really handy. From My List, you can place a hold, or you can do other actions such as you can save your list, you can delete the title, you can also email or print the items on your list. And of course, the more titles that you add to your list, the more that you can change the way in which the titles are arranged in reference to title ascending, descending, the date the book was published, ascending and descending. So if I decided that I put this book on hold, then I can actually check the box right here and then delete the title, like so. And then if you want to see what items you have on hold on your account, you can click on My Account right here. And then the third tab here that says Holds. And this will show you any items that you have on hold through your library card account, and then also shows when the item will be available for pickup. And then again, as I said, similar to the My List, if you decide that you no longer want the title that you have on hold, you can check the box in front of the title, and then you can click where it says Cancel Hold. You also have the option to edit your hold pickup location, edit or suspend a hold, or cancel the hold suspension. So I'm just going to cancel this hold, like so. And now that I have no items on hold and no items on my list, I'm going to make sure that I log out of my account by pressing the Log Out button and pressing OK. And this will take me back to the ValleyCat homepage. Thank you for watching this tutorial showing the difference between the Holds List and the My List options through the ValleyCat online catalog. Make sure that you follow the Kings County Library Facebook page and subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.